onions to talk about when they're ready. So these onions, when the bulbs are done growing, the tops will bend over like this one and start to turn brown. If they fall all the way to the ground, they're done. You can pick them, you can use them, they're not growing anymore. Now that we've talked onions, let's talk sweet corn. I've got this great plot of sweet corn beside me. A couple tips for how to keep your raccoons out of your sweet corn. This area is ready to be fenced off with some electric fence to try to keep them out, but also they've got a raccoon trap over there ready to go. So if you have a problem with your raccoons beating you to your fresh sweet corn before you can get to it, try a fence. There's all different kinds of fences out there. This one looks to be about a 3 to 4 wire hot wire fence, and if that's something you want to do, go for it. Now's a great time to be scouting for insects in your garden. As your garden starts to grow, bugs start to come out and find them. The biggest bug problem we get questions about are squash bugs. And squash bugs will wipe out an entire crop in little to no time flat. So when you're out here watering your garden, just do some scouting for them. Flip the leaves over, look at the back of the leaves, see if you can find those little green circles. Those are the eggs before they hatch. If you can find those before they hatch, just pop that leaf off and destroy it, and you'll have less squash bugs in your garden. My last tip for the day is bagworms. Bagworms are out and they need to be sprayed for right now. So check out our Facebook page and my video last week for more information about bagworms. Or any other questions about bagworms, gardening, or anything landscaping in general, please give me a call at the Washington office at 785-325